know, in here, there's not very much water. Doesn't take lots. This, by the way, you should not do at home. The reason we're wearing the safety glasses is when this does what it's supposed to, it splashes, and it's boiling water. You don't want that in your eyes. But what we're going to do is you're going to hold it like this. We're going to heat it up until it steams, and then we're going to just go over here and tip it. Okay? Make sense? So, here's how this works. We are going to start a flame, and then we're going to get this really, really hot so that the water boils, and when water boils, you guys, I think, know. Here, give me your hand. When water gets really hot and boils, it changes phase. It goes from a what to a what?
A liquid to a gas.
It's not a solid. It goes from a liquid to a gas. Good. And then, once it gets really hot and boiling, gas takes up lots more room than water does. I think it's more than 30 times the volume. But then if we stick it in the water's cold, and all that gas that took up lots of space is now going to turn into what? It already is there. What's it going to turn into?
Back into water.
It's going to turn back into water, which means it's going to take up way less space, and then it's going to have a really low pressure inside the can, and outside is all what? High pressure, right?
It's doing it.
Yep, it's not a rush. Now, you see this? Takes up lots of space, right? We put it in here, it's going to do what? What's the gas going to do? Turn back to water, which means it's going to take up way less space. You ready? All right, so just gently. 1, 2, 3. Oh, applause for Jonah. Nice job. Jonah, look at
Joey.
That is interesting.
that. Is awesome. So applause for Jonah again. Here, you get to keep